Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manually edit AI generated text and design in Canva. So let's get started. First, make sure that you are on your web browser. Once you are on it, tap canva.com at your search bar. Make sure that you are logged in with your Canva account. Then within the home screen, you will see different option at your left corner. Tap the create option. Here you will see different templates related to it. Click on any templates that you want. Once selected, it will redirect you to the new page. Within it, you will see a design option at the left corner, but sometimes it may also open automatically. As you can see, it is automatically opened. Within it, you can see different AI generated images. Tap on any images. Now, in order to edit AI generated text manually, tap any text and edit the font style, size, and color if needed. You can also delete them if you don't need, or you can just rewrite the text completely to match your message. So in order to replace or modify image, click on the image and replace it with your own image from your gallery or from Canvas library. You can also resize or crop the image if needed. If available, you can also use AI tools like Magic Edit and add filters or background remover if needed. Once all the editing is completed, click on the share option and tap download. Within it, you will see the file type. Choose the file type based on your preference level. After selecting the file type, you can just click on the download option and it will successfully download the edited version of it. And this is how you can manually edit AI generated text and design in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.